In today's video, I'm going to teach you add a subscriber form to your website. We'll walk through placing a sign up form on your site, connecting it to Hostinger Reach, syncing your contacts, and kicking off your first email campaign, all in a clear, simple flow. Start by opening your Hostinger website builder. Head to the area where you want the form to live. Many people place it above the footer, so it's easy to find without distracting from the main content. In the editor, click Add section, then choose Subscribe Form. You'll see a selection of designs. Pick one that fits your brand's look and feel, then customize it. Update the headline, description, and button text to be specific and compelling. Keep the fields minimal, usually just an email, so signups are quick. Match colors and fonts to your site, and make sure the form looks great on mobile. When you're happy, save and update your website to publish the changes. Next, test it. Submit a dummy email address you control to make sure the form collects entries correctly. Confirm that you see a success message or thank you state so visitors know their submission worked. Now let's activate Hostinger Reach. From your website builder dashboard, go to Form Submissions and find the test email you just sent. Click Start Sending Emails. This opens Hostinger Reach, Hostinger's built-in email marketing tool, which is free for 1 year with the option to upgrade later as your list grows. Inside Hostinger Reach, click Sync Contacts. Select your website to connect it. Two things happen automatically. All existing contacts from your forms are imported, and any new signups from your site will now flow straight into Hostinger Reach without extra steps. Open the Contacts tab to confirm your test email, and any previous entries appear there. With your contacts in place, create your first email campaign. Click Create Campaign. If you haven't connected your domain yet, you'll be prompted to do that first, so your emails send from a professional address and reach inboxes reliably. When you're ready to craft your message, use the built-in AI tools to draft engaging copy faster. Give the AI a clear prompt about your offer or update, then refine the subject line, preview text, and body to match your tone and brand. Keep your message concise, value-focused, and end with a clear call to action. For a detailed step-by-step campaign walkthrough from setup to send, check the linked video in the description. That's it. You've added a subscriber form, connected it to Hostinger Reach, synced your contacts, and set the stage for effective email marketing.